Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Just thought I'd say hey to everyone, show you all a new product that came in. So this is not anything super exciting or anything other than it's a little bit nicer than what I usually get. So this is a 2x8 gig set, so 16 gig kit of Corsair Vengeance LPX RAM. DDR4 of course. This one is actually faster than most that I purchase. When I buy them, I typically buy 2400 or 3000, 2666, that range, you know. One of my daughters has 3000, my wife has 3000, my other daughter has 2666, and my son I believe has 2666 as well. Mine is a mix of 2 sticks of 2666 and 3333. The thing is though is that the 2666 megahertz sticks in my system overclock really well, so I've got all 4 sticks running at 3200 megahertz. So I lose a little bit on the 3333s, but I gain a lot on the 2666s, and it really helps with the video editing I'm running, you know, all the time. So but it's total 64 gigs. I couldn't just pass up on 32 gigs, so I took them and overclocked them. This here's 16 gigs. This will go into one of my next project systems. So anyway, that's today's video. If you like our content, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date on new videos as they come out, and leave me a comment, let me know what your thoughts are. So anyway, thanks for watching, have a great day.